Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. So by the title, as you guys can tell, in today's video, it's just going to be a follow-up. I went to the salon, got a trim, got my hair done or whatever, and y'all already know the whole spiel. So before we get into the video, please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And turn on post notifications so you don't miss the upload from your girl whenever I post. Alright, so let's jump right in. Okay y'all, so on my last video, the feedback was very good. Some of the comments were concerned about the overall trim, cut of my hair. I already knew that when I went in, I already had intentions on cutting some length off. And I just want to let y'all know that, I did give the stylist permission to do that. The whole time, throughout the whole visit, the stylist and I were talking. I let her know my concerns, I let her know what I wanted, and she executed it. So it was nothing that was behind my back. I saw everything. So in this type of salon, everything is forward facing, meaning that I saw everything that she was doing to my hair. So nothing was a surprise. So initially, after I combed out my locks, I did express to y'all that I did want to trim, I wanted to cut, I wanted just to get some of those bad ends off. So when I combed out my 4.5-year locks, almost 5-year locks, I would have made 5-year lock in April. But I retained a lot of length, and y'all, I am 5 feet tall. So I look tall in the video, but I am short, so my hair is waist length. So the amount that she cut was perfectly fine with me. I did give her permission to do so because, like I said, I knew I wanted to get this color cut off. I knew I wanted a bang in the front. I knew I wanted some layers. So when I told her exactly what I wanted, she did do that. However, did she cut more than what she said she was gonna cut? Yes, but like I said, I was okay with it because I saw everything. As far as the heat amount she used, I don't even know what the heat setting was. It could have been 410, it could have been 450. Child, I don't know, y'all, I don't know. I would just get my hair done. I just wanted to get my hair done. So only the revert video would tell if my hair is damaged. But overall, the stylist was very cool. She was so nice and kind, and she did her job. She was very professional, very outgoing. It was not nothing dry. She didn't do any funny things to me or make me feel weird to where I could trust her. So I actually did trust her, and she did a good job on my hair. We are 2 weeks in with this silk press, and it still looks good. But overall, I did give her the permission to do what needed to be done. Did she cut off more than 6 inches? Yeah, probably did, because after she did do that cut, she did give me that hair to bring home with me because, I wanted my hair, okay? So I did take that little ponytail with me home, and then she told me in the video, which you guys probably didn't hear because I probably had the music over it, she said, I'm gonna cut some layers in your hair. Are you okay with that? I was like, yeah, sure. I did want layers. And then she also cut the front of my hair because, y'all, my hair was ate up. The front was ate up so badly. I don't know why the front of my hair took such a hard hit after combing out my locks, but that part was ate up. It was gone. It needed to be done. So she did trim that for me. Now, as far as my length, looking back on the video, I could have either said, hey, I want to do things slowly, trim off a little bit. I'm coming back the next time, trim out more. No, me not having any issues with cutting my hair, going it back, always having long hair, that was not a concern for me. The overall concern was the overall health of my hair. So I've been saying this for years, way back when I first started YouTube, health over length, and that's what I chose. I chose the health over keeping my waistline hair. Now it's gonna grow back, it may take some time, but overall, I am happy with the overall health of my hair. I like how it feels, I like how I'm able to just glide the comb through, and it just looks good. And yeah, so not too much, I don't have any complaints at all, at all. So let me see, can y'all see the overall length of it? So right now it's mid back length. So you guys can, let me get up. Okay, I'm on my tiptoes. So right now my hair is mid back length, and overall, I know y'all was concerned about the overall cut and her possibly cutting more than what she said, But just to let y'all know, I saw everything. I had 2 cameras, my phone and my actual camera, and I had the mirrors to see. Like, she didn't pull a wool over my eyes or nothing like that. But overall, I gave her my permission. I did want to cut. And yeah, so don't, y'all, I won't be going to her for a cut or a trim every time. Like, this is just like a once. I don't know. It was only once, but I will go back to her as far as doing my hair. But as far as a trim, probably not, because I can get my mama to do that for me. But overall, y'all, I'm good. I gave her permission. I'm good. I had a good experience, and yeah, that's it. And so yeah, so that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you have not checked out that silk press video, I will leave it right here so you guys can click on that and leave all your questions and concerns and meet me in the comments. And I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.